Derek Chauvin, the ex-Minneapolis police officer, was sentenced to 22 and a half years today for killing George Floyd. Turns out, a city full of people that had to almost burn it down, they were right. He is a murderer and he does deserve to go to jail. George Floyd, well, if you don't know about him, well, welcome back from your coma. He's best known for dying and also for amateur pornography, which isn't that bad. If you're into it, check it out. Last year, Derek Chauvin was an officer and he laid his knee on his neck until he died while other officers watched, because you know how the saying goes, not all cops are bad, the good ones just watch. Derek Chauvin getting 22 and a half years in prison is a great thing. It means that finally a bad cop is off the streets. Not all cops are bad, but the system definitely is in place to support bad cops. If Minneapolis didn't burn itself down over George Floyd's death, then Derek Chauvin would still be wearing a badge and a uniform, stopping people over claims of counterfeit money, jaywalking, or whatever else he thought was worth stopping people for.